Welcome, welcome. What are we doing today? Testing out what you've been watching me digitize. Let's do that. All right, let's load her up. Find some thread. I'm just a girl standing in front of a thread rack, hoping the thread will love me back. I'm thinking that, hold on, options for wine. Maybe we're going with a deep wine. I don't know, how wino are we? Let's go with this one. I'll say Gunnold's gonna do it today. And of course we need a red for our heart because it doesn't scream Valentine's Day without some red, am I right? Oh, but which red? Hold on, wait. Which red looks, hey, are these the same? Hold on, what are these numbers? They are not the same. Is this the same? Oh my God, they're all different. Can you see the difference? Oh, I see it now. Bright, mid, definitely darker. We're gonna go with the mid. Let's free up 2 of these. Make sure we don't cut a color we're actually gonna need with our nice scissors here. So I'm gonna cut near the spool and free these 2. Gotta make sure to put them away right away, because if not, I'll never find them when I need them. Wine in the front. All you gotta do is tie these together. Tie the ends together. A knot of love, if you will, since we're doing a Valentine's Day themed stuff today. Give a little tuggy tug, make sure that lock in that knot. We need it to be knotty. All right, second color. Repeat the steps. Make 2 knots. If it ain't knotty, I don't want it. Next, you see this? This is the brake. Turn off the e-brake. E-brake is now off, so we're interested in needle 1 and 2 because that's what we changed out. So let's go ahead and take the tail of needle 1 and pull on it till it comes through the needle eye, and now it's wine color. Do the same thing with 2. It's going from gold to red. I'm gonna go ahead and re-engage the e-brake. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna take these new threads and stick them up here in the coil. New threads only. And now I'm gonna trim off the excess. Boom, boom. I highly recommend this machine. But you know me, if you're listening, I would love a horde of these. Best decision I've ever made. Program the threads that I got now, so that way it does what I want, including the stop, like is on 3. Now let's prep the hoop. M2 hoop for this. I keep my hoops attached to the machine stand, so I don't have to go too far. M2, we're just doing 1 Feltie. Hoop it up, make sure you got the stabilizer in there. Done. Load hoop onto machine. Now run the first step. First step is always what? Placement, you're right. You're good. Did I teach you that? Here's a pop quiz. Does it matter what color of thread you use for your placement stitch? Answers in the comments. Got my little square of vinyl. We're gonna be testing this on vinyl. And if you've been here before, you know that we're going to prep this vinyl using my spray and 2 pieces of stabilizer in a diamond pattern. I don't got time to be prepping this many little pieces and a bunch of different colors, but it should look like this. Favorite embroidery spray of all time. Would love a sponsorship. This girl's for sale. Next, I will be taking that line and covering it with this, making sure that I cover all the placement stitches. I'm gonna take a little piece of Scotch tape here and tape it. But I'm gonna show you that it does cover. You can see it through the back. All my placement lines are covered, so it looks like in the front. Put the hoop back on the machine, and let's run all the fun details. It's time to sew the back to the front. I'm gonna take that hoop off 1 time, flip it to the back. We are interested in covering this, okay? We don't want anyone to know our secrets, so we're going to hide them. Also using my favorite spray. This is just a piece of acrylic felt. You can buy it at your local craft store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann, Amazon, anywhere on the interwebs. And I just wanna make sure that I go ahead and cover the stitches. We're gonna seal it. I've been known to refer to this as making a Feltie sandwich. So put the bottom piece on, and now we load it back in, and it's gonna sew the top piece to the bottom piece for our Feltie sandwich, okay? If you've been with me when I first started on YouTube, I used to refer to it as a Feltie sandwich. So this is throwback to, I'm not even gonna say how many years, okay? And now let's go ahead and run it all together. Okay, your embroidery machine will always be your biggest critic and also your biggest help, so it'll let us know how we did. So let me look at this. You've looked at it, so now I need to look at it. I don't see anything other than I think the tension on level 1 is off, but that is a machine problem. That's not a digitizing problem. That's a mechanical function that I will fix. But other than that, it did exactly what I wanted it to. She did exactly what she was programmed to do. Weird, huh? All right, so now it's all left to do is take this out of the hoop and cut it out. So now we've seen a video of how I digitize this, so all the stuff I did in the background, and now you've also seen me test it and stitch it out. Final results. And I will now prepare this and get it ready for the next release that I have on my website. Don't forget, if you would like to purchase anything from Embrilliance, such as Stitch Artist, so you can digitize your own Felties, I would appreciate it if you used my affiliate link. If you would like to learn how to use Stitch Artist, I do offer private virtual one-on-one sessions, just you and me, and I will show you how to use Stitch Artist. Those appointments can be booked on my website, designsbydreaco.com.